Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to recover your Noom account when you've forgotten your password and can't seem to remember while logging in. In this case, you can easily recover your password with simple instructions. The first thing to do, go open your web browser. Before moving right into our video, I would like to request you to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. After you open your web browser, go to the URL box and type in www.noom.com and press the enter on your keyboard. As soon as you reach the official website of Noom, go and click on the login button in the upper right corner. You can change the language that you prefer clicking on this down arrow right here and choosing the language according to your choice. Now, click on the login button and you'll end up in this page where you can enter your account information. The first thing to do is enter your email address in the text field you see. Make sure to enter a valid email address associated with your Noom account and move on to the next field. If you happen to remember your password, you can straightforward go to this password box and type in your password for your account. But in today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to recover your Noom account, so let's go click on Forgot Password link right below the login button. Now, one more time, go ahead and enter your email address in the text field and click on Send Link. Now, simply go back to your email address and you'll get an email from Noom. This is the email that I'm looking for. Simply click it on and you'll receive a link right there that says Reset My Password. Click on Reset My Password and on the next page, you'll be able to create a new password for your Noom account. As you can see that on the next page, it says type in the new password you want to change to. Make sure to type in a strong password whenever you're creating one. You can double check your password by clicking on this eye icon in the right corner. Go ahead in the next text field and type in your new password one more time. It's just to confirm that you are typing in the correct password. Now, make sure both of the passwords match, and after it does, this button right here will activate. Click on Change Password and you'll be able to reset or recover your Noom account's password. That is how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.